I've got an idea.
What?
Let's learn about emotions, okay? It's really important to be able to express emotions, okay? But we're going to express emotions using chicken talk, okay? So, you know, chickens, back, 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 back. Okay, so we're going to express emotions with chicken talk. You ready? Okay. So first of all, let's start with something easy. Let's start with, what would be the easiest? Happy. Okay, all right. How about sad? How about fear? All right. How about surprise? Okay. What else? How about angry? All right. How about what else? How about what else? Are we out of ideas? Confused. How about, I don't know what comes next?